Hello, here the correct match between item 1 and item 2 is. So in item 1 we have given some drugs or some compounds, and item 2 we have been given some tests to identify these compounds. So if we see the first one, which is chloroxylenol, from the name itself we can get that this is having a chlorine atom and a phenol group. So the structure of chloroxylenol is a phenol, two methyl groups, CH3, and a chlorine atom. So this is having a phenol group, and a test of phenol is a test with ferric chloride. So phenols with FeCl3 can give bright red precipitate. Bright red precipitate. And this is used as a test of phenol. So this is a test of phenol. Hence, option 1 or option A matches to ferric chloride test, which is option R, as this is having a phenolic group, and phenolic group have a acidic H plus or a acidic H ion. Hence, it gives ferric chloride test and gives bright red precipitate in this test. The second one is norethindron. Norethindron. This is having a complex structure, and before going to it we can see other options, as if we can match more than two options we can get to the answer. The option C is sulfapyridine. Sulfapyridine structure includes an NH2 group and S double bond O NH and a benzene ring. This has a primary amine. This is having a primary amine, and primary amines on reaction with CHCl3, or we call it as chloroform and alcoholic KOH produces isocyanates, and these are foul smelling substances. Hence, carbylamine test can be used to find sulfapyridine. And this test, or the carbylamine test, is heating primary amine with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. This gives isocyanates, which are foul smelling substances. Hence, this can also used as a test. So option C, which is sulfapyridine, matches with B, which is the carbylamine test. And at last, if we see option D, which is penicillin. Penicillin is a very complex structure, but it includes a carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group is present in penicillin. So carboxylic acid on reaction with mild base, and as carboxylic acids are not enough basic, but on reaction with NaHCO3, these can release CO2 gases with effervescence. Hence can be used to find penicillin. Hence, option D matches with Q. So if we see that D is matching with Q, and in only A and D D is matching with Q, C is matching with P. Here in option A, C is not matching with P, hence this is not the correct answer. In option D, we have got A is matched with R, as we have already seen the ferric chloride test. A is matching with R, and C is matching with P, and D is matching with Q. So if you see in this, we can see that norethindrone matches with, Bayer's test. So answer is option D. Thank you.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखते हैं एक और क्वेश्चन। इस क्वेश्चन में लिखा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आयंस इज मोस्ट इफेक्टिव इन द कोएगुलेशन ऑफ आर्सेनियस सल्फाइड। अब बेसिकली हम जानते हैं कि जो भी मेटल सल्फाइड होते हैं दे आर नेगेटिव चार्ज। मेटल सल्फाइड आर नेगेटिव चार्ज कोलाइड्स। ओके, तो बेसिकली हमारे जो अगर हम लोग को इसको कोएगुलेट कराना है तो बेसिकली हम लोग को क्या चाहिए होगा, एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज आयन चाहिए होगा, एक पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोलाइट चाहिए होगा। ओके, और पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मतलब जिसकी ज़्यादा वैलेंसी होगी उसकी ज़्यादा कोएगुलेशन पावर होगी, क्योंकि वैलेंसी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कोएगुलेशन पावर। ये हमारा किस रूल से हम लोग को पता है, बाय हार्डी-क्लूज रूल, अकॉर्डिंग टू हार्डी-क्लूज रूल। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हार्डी-क्लूज रूल वैलेंसी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कोएगुलेशन पावर। जितनी ज़्यादा वैलेंसी होगी उसकी कोएगुलेशन पावर भी सबसे ज़्यादा होगी। तो हम लोग को बताना मोस्ट इफेक्टिव, यानी कि सबसे ज़्यादा वैलेंसी किसकी है इसमें। हम सबसे ज़्यादा वैलेंसी देख सकते हैं कि एल्यूमिनियम की यहाँ पे 3, तो बेसिकली सबसे इफेक्टिव होगा कोएगुलेशन में आर्सेनियस सल्फाइड को। तो हमारा जो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3। आई होप यू गेट द आंसर। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, the question is adsorption of a gas follows Fewdley's adsorption isotherm. In the given plot, X is the mass of the gas absorbed on mass M of an absorbent at pressure P. X by M is proportional to. The proportionality of X by M is asked over here. Since we know that Fewdley's adsorption isotherm is equals to X by M is equal to K times P to the power 1 by N. So now taking log both sides. So log of X by M is equals to log of K times P to the power 1 by N. Now using the property of log, X by M is equal to log K plus 1 by N times log P. Reassembling the equation, that is log X by M is equals to 1 by N log P plus log K. This equation is similar to the equation of a straight line, that is y is equals to mx plus c. So according to the question, the slope is m, which is equals to 1 by n. From graph, this and this will form tan theta, that is slope, which is equals to 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by n. So 1 by n is equals to 2 by 4, that is n is equals to 2. So putting the value of n in equation 1, that is in the Fewdley's isotherm, we get x by m is equals to k times p to the power 1 by 2. So option 1 is correct. That is n is equals to 2 and x by m is equals to k times p to the power 1 by 2 and proportional to p to the power 1 by 2. Thank you.